Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Tracy. First, in the comments, people have been asking, how do you get your watch to go Minnie Mouse like that? If you need to find your glasses every time you want to look at your watch,
It's 3:42.
this is an annoying but a handy feature. If you have the kind of iWatch that you need your phone to make it work, you just load the iPhone app into your phone. And then you go in there and you choose from so many different colors and styles of watch faces. Okay, let's get into makeup now. Okay, I know I'm not supposed to talk about this, but you guys, I have to tell you about this powder because it's so good. This is Bite Beauty Changemaker Flexible Coverage Pressed Powder. I don't know how it would be on oily skin, but on dry skin, it's a dream come true. It has the clean makeup symbol at Sephora. It's vegan and cruelty free. They only have 4 shades in Sephora, but if you order it online, there are 8 shades. I wish I had known that. It controls shine, it's weightless and breathable, and it doesn't look cakey at all. But besides that, what I love about it is that it's almost like a cross between a powder foundation and a pressed powder. So when I'm too lazy to put foundation, I just put this on so my blush, bronzer, and highlighter can, it doesn't get all patchy and stick. It goes on smoothly. I even use it to prime my eyes. I am loving this powder so much. I don't feel bad about buying it at all because I've been using it nonstop since I got it. I really think it makes me look better. And it's so easy to use. Okay, let's look at the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette. There's a third one that's really pretty called Mint, but I can't get all of them. Don't you love samples? Fall in love, buy more. They all have mattes, metallics, and a full-size mirror. Yes. I couldn't choose between the rose and the lilac, so I just got both. It says on Sephora that this is a dusty mauve lavender with a bit of soft coral. I'm not supposed to be buying any more eyeshadow palettes, but these are all like Easter eggy colors. I couldn't resist. If you push into the metallic shades, the dent stays there. So it really looks and feels like a different formula from what we usually get from Huda Beauty. But that's okay. Makeup is constantly evolving. And I know that ColourPop has a palette that is similar to this one. And if you live in the US, it's less expensive for you. But if you live in Canada with the shipping, it ends up being about the same. So I got these. And now let's look at the Rose palette. Really pretty pink ballet, pink blushy peach colors. And I know we've had so many pink eyeshadow palettes coming our way lately, but these to me are different because they're so light, soft, and pastel. And the shades are so pretty. I cannot wait to plunge into these palettes. I find the pink palette is even softer than the lilac palette. I'm really dying to get into Sephora and see the mint one in person. Please tell me in the comments below where you are with these palettes. Come and find me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll have them linked below. It has been really nice hanging out with you guys for a while and trying to forget about everything that's going on. Please stay safe. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Hey, don't walk there.